Living in a small space doesn't mean giving up comfort or style. These space-saving furniture pieces and smart home design gadgets from Amazon are perfect for maximizing every inch of your home. From clever storage solutions to multifunctional designs, they'll completely transform your space. All product links are in the description below. A coffee table that does more than just hold your cup. This modern centerpiece combines sleek design with smart storage, featuring open shelves and a hidden drawer to keep your space clutter-free. The glossy black finish is easy to clean and adds a polished touch to any room. Built-in LED lighting offers 16 color options, so you can set the mood with a simple tap on your phone. Whether in the living room, office, or bedroom, it's both practical and a little bit magical. Meal prep just got a whole lot smoother. This handy dispenser keeps your quart, sandwich, and snack bags right at your fingertips. No more rummaging through messy drawers, just pull and go. Mounted under a cabinet, on a shelf, or even in a small RV kitchen to save precious space. Built tough to handle daily use, it's a simple upgrade that makes your kitchen feel instantly more organized. Your beauty station just got a serious upgrade. This elegant organizer keeps all your skincare, makeup, and even jewelry in one neat place. Tall bottles, tiny lipsticks, or delicate powders. Everything has its spot. A clear lid keeps dust and water away, while a sturdy handle makes it easy to move from room to room. Stylish, spacious, and oh so practical, it turns clutter into a picture-perfect display. Keep your bedding neat, dust-free, and easy to find. These sturdy plastic organizers stack securely without tipping, and the double-sided clear windows let you spot exactly what's inside at a glance. Snap closures keep everything protected, while side handles make pulling them from shelves effortless. Fold them flat when not in use, or stack them to save space. Perfect for sheets, duvets, pillowcases, and more. Step out of the shower and skip the towel. This full-body dryer surrounds you with warm or cool air, drying your skin in minutes without rubbing. A foot-level touchscreen lets you switch modes hands-free, perfect for comfort and accessibility. The preheat feature ensures cozy warmth on chilly days, while non-slip pads keep you steady. Powerful yet gentle, it turns drying off into a spa-like experience. Wake up to the smell of fresh bread without lifting a finger. This all-in-one bread maker can whip up everything from fluffy white loaves to gluten-free, sourdough, and even yogurt. Dual heaters bake evenly for a golden crust every time, while the non-stick ceramic pan makes cleanup a breeze. With 20 preset programs and a delay timer, you get bakery-quality results on your schedule. No early mornings required. Why juggle multiple pans when one station can do it all? This 4-in-1 breakfast maker grills, toasts, fries, and boils at the same time, so your eggs, bread, and bacon are ready together. Independent controls let you adjust heat for the grill and hot pots separately. Non-stick plates make cleanup quick, and built-in safety shutoff keeps things worry-free. Perfect for fast mornings or all-day snack sessions. Doing the dishes just got way less of a chore. This compact countertop dishwasher packs in enough space for a full family meal's worth of plates, cups, and cutlery, yet it fits in even the tiniest kitchens. No plumbing required, thanks to its built-in water tank. 5 wash programs handle everything from delicate glassware to baby bottles. And with built-in drying and ventilation, your dishes come out sparkling, dry, and ready to use. Tired of messy drawers swallowing up your stuff? This 3-tier expandable organizer brings order to the chaos. With adjustable dividers, you can customize each section for office supplies, kitchen tools, or beauty essentials. Its foldable, space-saving design fits neatly into drawers or sits on countertops, keeping everything visible and within reach. Smooth pull-out drawers make grabbing what you need effortless. No more digging through clutter. Dinner table, desk, or console. This foldable design does it all. With drop leaves on each side, you can seat up to 8 guests when fully extended, or fold it down to save space. 2 drawers keep essentials close, while the lower shelf stores folding chairs neatly. 4 wheels make it easy to roll anywhere, and a waterproof finish means quick, stress-free cleanup after meals or projects. Laundry day just got smarter. This 2-layer hamper keeps clothes sorted with separate baskets for different loads, so no more mixing socks with shirts. The top baskets can even be removed and hung on the wall for extra space-saving storage. Smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move from bedroom to laundry room. Durable, sturdy, and compact, it's the perfect way to keep laundry neat and out of the way. Say goodbye to forgotten food hiding in the back of the fridge. This rectangular Lazy Susan spins 360 degrees so you can grab what you need without digging around. Clear sides keep everything visible, while sturdy suction cups hold it firmly in place. It fits most fridges, pantries, and cabinets, making every inch count. Strong, smooth, and easy to clean, it's the upgrade your fridge has been waiting for. Getting ready just got way more satisfying. This press-to-open lipstick holder pops your collection up automatically with a single tap. No rummaging through drawers. 8 slots keep your lipsticks, glosses, or balms dust-free and perfectly organized. Smooth edges and a clear cover give it a sleek, elegant look for any vanity. It's functional, fun, and keeps your favorites always within easy reach. Turn plain mugs into personal masterpieces. This mug press uses even heat to lock in your designs so they're vibrant, peel-proof, and dishwasher safe. Just place your blank mug inside, press the button, and watch it transform in minutes. Great for gifts, keepsakes, or a matching set for your kitchen. The bundle even includes 4 blank mugs, ready for your creativity to shine. Fresh smoothies anywhere, anytime? Yes, please! This portable juicer is USB rechargeable, so you can blend up fresh fruit, protein shakes, or even crush ice right on the go. Perfect for the office, gym, or travel. It's built for busy days when you still want healthy options. Compact yet powerful, it keeps your drinks smooth, fresh, and ready whenever you are. No kitchen required. No more digging through the back of your cabinets. This pull-out organizer brings your pots, pans, and kitchen essentials right to you with a smooth, quiet glide. Its expandable design adjusts to fit different cabinet widths, making the most of your space. No drilling needed, just stick it in place with strong adhesive nanofilm. Heavy-duty metal keeps it sturdy, so even your heaviest cookware stays secure. Turn your shoe collection into a stylish display. This 7-tier rotating rack spins 360 degrees, making every pair easy to see and grab. It stores dozens of shoes, or even handbags and hats, while taking up minimal floor space. The sturdy build keeps everything secure, and the sleek design fits right into any room. Easy to assemble and fun to use, it keeps your space organized without sacrificing style. Tired of tripping over shoes in the hallway? This sleek cabinet hides them away while keeping them easy to reach. 2 flip drawers store everything from heels to short boots without taking up much floor space. The natural wood finish and rattan doors add a touch of style that fits any room. Sturdy, stable, and space-saving, it's the perfect blend of organization and decor. Your couch just got a serious upgrade. This clever 3-in-1 sleeper chair transforms from a cozy armchair to a relaxing recliner to a comfortable guest bed in seconds. The backrest adjusts to 3 angles so you can read, lounge, or nap just the way you like. High-density foam and breathable linen keep it soft yet supportive. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or anywhere you need big comfort in a small space. Make the most of tight spaces with this tall, slim storage cabinet. Its 4 tiers and adjustable shelves let you customize it for toiletries, cleaning supplies, or kitchen essentials. Magnetic doors keep contents dust and moisture-free, while clear panels make it easy to see what's inside. Smooth rolling wheels let you move it anywhere, turning unused corners into organized, functional storage in minutes. No tools or complicated assembly needed. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier. This slim toaster slips neatly onto any countertop without hogging space. A single extra long slot means you can toast 2 slices side by side or tackle big, crusty bread without cutting it down. 6 shade settings let you go from lightly golden to deep and crispy in seconds. The high lift lever keeps fingers safe, and the crumb tray makes cleanup effortless. This video is sponsored by Kaylee Supplements. Use the link in the description below to start feeling sharper, stronger, and more energized naturally.
Feeling foggy? Low on energy? Or just not as sharp as you used to be? This is Callie's Mushroom Extract Complex, just 2 raspberry-flavored gummies a day. It packs a powerful blend of 10 clinically respected mushrooms, like lion's mane, reishi, and cordyceps, all working to support your brain, immune system, and energy levels. No pills, no bitterness, just clean ingredients that actually work. If you're looking for more clarity, focus, and balance, you should start here. Callie Supplements. Simple, powerful, and effective.
Tired of digging through cluttered cabinets just to find one spice? This slide and rotate organizer brings everything into view in seconds. 2 stacked tiers hold both short and tall items, while the non-skid base keeps it steady. Just pull, spin, and grab what you need. No rummaging required. Its modular design means you can line up several for a perfectly organized kitchen that actually stays that way. Your desk isn't just a desk anymore. By day, it's a modern workstation with storage. But hidden inside is a full bed that pulls out in seconds. The tabletop even shifts into an L shape, giving you extra space to spread out when working or studying. Small space, big drying power. This compact tumble dryer fits just about anywhere but still handles clothes with care. Dual motors speed up drying while rotating in both directions to keep fabrics fluffy and evenly dried. Smart sensors stop the cycle the moment clothes are ready, saving time and energy. With fine filters to catch lint and dust, it's plug-and-play laundry convenience. No installation, no hassle. One piece of furniture, 3 ways to use it. This compact vanity flips open to reveal a lighted mirror with 3 color settings, perfect for makeup or skincare. Close it, and it works as a sleek nightstand with plenty of hidden storage. 3 drawers and a cushioned stool keep everything organized and comfortable. Stylish, sturdy, and space-saving. It's a smart upgrade for any bedroom. Dry your clothes without sacrificing space. This wall-mounted rack folds flat when not in use, then extends to reveal 6 sturdy stainless steel rods that hold up to 60 pounds of laundry. It's perfect for everything from towels to sweaters, keeping fabrics fresh and colors bright. The smooth fold-in design keeps floors clear, and the sleek look blends right into your home.